Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a young girl named Lily. She had a special friend named Rosie, who was not like any other friend. Rosie was a fluffy white rabbit with the most adorable twitching nose. Every day after school, Lily would rush to the garden to meet Rosie. They would play hide and seek, hop around like bunnies, and share secrets only two friends could understand. One sunny afternoon, Lily noticed Rosie looking sad. What's wrong, Rosie? She asked, kneeling down to her furry friend. Rosie replied with a soft twitch of her nose, I miss my rabbit family. Lily understood. Together, they set out on an adventure to find Rosie's family. They hopped through meadows, crossed babbling rocks, and explored the forest until they reached a cozy rabbit burrow. Rosie's family welcomed her back with joyful hopes and wiggles. Lily smiled, knowing she had helped her friend find happiness. From that day on, Lily and Rosie shared even more adventures, but now they never felt alone because they had each other and their special friendship. And so, in their little